Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make placemat or table mat from your old sari. So this is really easy to make, so let's get started. So this is leftover piece of sari from my earlier project. With this I'm going to make my mat. So you have to take the fabric and cut the rectangular piece according to your measurement. So this is the length and this will be the width of the mat. So you have to take a rectangular piece, just take 1 inch extra width and 1 inch extra length. Now cut the fabric. So here I have my rectangular piece for my table mat. Now here I have the lining part, so I will place it on the lining and then I'll cut the same exact piece from the lining also. Now facing both the right sides together like this, I'm going to give the stitch from the sides. So I'll give stitch to the sides, leaving around 1/4 inch of fabric, and then I'll give stitch to the 3 parts of the mat and 1 part will be open. Now here you can see, here I have given the stitch, and now I'm going to give small cuts to the corners. Now from this open side, I'll take out the right side out. So just take out the right part of the mat properly. Take out the corners. With the help of the scissor, I'm going to take out the corners. You can take any sharp object and then take out the corners. Now I'll take this open side and I'll take 1/2 inch of fabric and I'll take it to the wrong side of the mat, and then I'll pin this. Now once this is done, you have to give a nice iron here. Here I have given the iron. Now I'm going to give top stitch. So here you can see this is the open part. Here also. Here I'm going to give stitch to all the sides and I will complete this stitch here. So I'm going to start my stitch from one side. Once I will reach to the corner, I'll go to the another side like this. So just give the top stitch properly. First give the iron and then give the stitch. This will make your work neat and easy also. Here I'm changing the thread because this side it is green. So here my stitch is done. I have given stitch to all 4 sides of the mat, and this is the back part, this is the lining. So from the front side my mat is looking like this and it is ready. So here you can see it was so easy to make, and you can recycle, you can reuse your old sari and make these beautiful table mats, and this will give really beautiful look to your dining table or your peg tables. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something new from this. And if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.